Hello everyone, I hope you guys all are safe and sound. Welcome to today's session. Today we are going to do part number 3 of the chapter The French Revolution. Okay, so firstly let me know all the answers of previous lesson. So the first question is the word livre stands for unit of currency in France. Second, when was Louis XVI ascended the throne of France in 1774? Third, which country had implemented Montesquieu model of government? USA. When did Bastille was demolished? 14th July 1789. The Constitution of 1791 gave power to make laws to whom? National Assembly. And the last one, where did the Third Estate form the National Assembly? Indoor tennis court. जो सोच रहे हैं कि किस चीज़ के आंसर्स हैं, यू हैव टू सर्च फॉर फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन पार्ट 2. यू विल फाइंड दीज 1 मार्कर मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस. ओके, सो ये रहा इंडेक्स. Okay, so we are going to discuss about role of political clubs, Jacobin club and their activities, France become republic and execution of Louis XVI. Now role of political clubs. France में काफ़ी political clubs थे. Because of the increasement of political awareness, people started to understand that they don't really need to be under a ruler, right? और जो constitution बना था 1791 का, वो केवल rights दिया करता था to the richer sections of society. Basically men who had property. That's why some people who didn't belong to the prosperous section of the society, they were feeling that the revolution must go on, and exactly ऐसा ही हुआ. There was very famous club in the French Revolution, the Jacobin Club. In Indian history, टीपू सुल्तान भी जैकोबिन क्लब के मेंबर बने हुए थे. उन्होंने विशाखापट्टनम में ट्री ऑफ लिबर्टी लगाया हुआ था, and women too formed their own clubs. Now let's know about the Jacobin Club. They belong to the less prosperous sections of society like small shopkeepers, artisans, painters, daily wage workers, etc. And obviously club है तो leader भी होगा. Leader थे Maximilian Robespierre. Now activities of Jacobin Club. In 1792, members of Jacobin Club, they were planning an uprising. They were politically active and radical because they were having a lot of problem. ये सारे लोग जो protest कर रहे थे, they all gathered and started walking, and they were going to the palace of Tuileries. Palace of Tuileries belonged to the King Louis, and they were extremely angry. They went and killed all the king guards, and they held king hostage. And finally, king को hostage में रख कर they did an election, in which again only the men above the age of 21 years were given the voting rights, and यहाँ property non property का कोई सीन नहीं था. Okay, but can you just spot the one problem here? Women still don't have any voting right. अब एक न्यू असेंबली बन गई. The new assembly had a new name known as convention. And this assembly decided in 1792 that monarchy has to be abolished. Now we don't want constitutional monarchy, and they declared France as republic. Now execution of Louis XVI. Now if monarchy has ended, then obviously monarch has to also end. King Louis and Queen Antoinette both were sentenced to death by a court on the charge of treason. Treason means that you have not been true to your own people. And then 21st January 1793, they were publicly executed at a palace. और इस execution को पूरे फ्रांस की सोसाइटी ने देखा, and people applauded also. People were happy about it. अब इसके आगे का चैप्टर हम नेक्स्ट सेशन में डिस्कस करेंगे. एंड इफ़ यू लाइक द एक्सप्लेनेशन, डोंट फॉरगेट टू टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. और जो भी डाउट्स रह जाते हैं, वट एवर डाउट्स यू गेट, प्लीज़ कॉमेंट बिलो. आई विल ट्राई टू आंसर ऑल ऑफ देम फॉर श्योर. ओके, सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. टिल देन, कीप स्माइलिंग. Thank you so much for watching the video.